Once the day breaks, we must call on the spirit of our ancestors to guide our ways as we navigate through this world of confusion. The Ibubonze that is always following Onyenze will always protect his children, his grandchildren and great-grandchildren, and all the people that are related with him by blood. And I'm calling on Ibubonze to continue as we are breaking cola this morning. That which we are going to eat, they are the only things that will continue to come to our way. And everything that is planning to destroy us will never see the light of day. We are always going to succeed. We are going to remain like tomorrow, because tomorrow has no end. As we are breaking this colonel this morning, we are breaking all the dangers that will come our way. We are breaking everything that will bring negativity. We are breaking everything that will bring up bad luck. We're going to succeed because success is our second name. So shall it be. The market day. So shall it be on the market day. So shall it be on Afro market day. And so shall it be on Market day. You see?